see your Schwartz is as big as mine.
Okay, I'm really excited about this, guys. This is a lightsaber. Ooh. That's cool. How cool is that? Damn! Now this lightsaber comes from DamienSaber lightsabers. So it's DamienSaber.com if you want to check them out. This is the one they sent me. This is the Lightsaber Custom SEOWK. It's the Eco Pogo core metal hilt with a 36-inch blade. So 92 centimeters. But let's see what's in the box. We get the manual. Now this one runs off an app. So I'm going to be running the app to show you how that all works. You can control the lights and everything like that. That's really cool. So that's there. You've got the manual. You've also got a USB-A to USB-C plug. So that's used to charge this lightsaber. So that's included in there as well. So that's cool. Then we've got some little tools here. We've got an Allen key with a few screws. So that's to secure the blade onto the actual unit itself. Then we've got another little screw type object here. We'll have a look and see how it all fits together. Some protection foam there. Then here is the device itself in the packet. And then we've got the blade that gets connected over here. So that's the end of it, as you can see. Looks like a candle. And then on the other side we've got this piece here where the light would shine through. So that's there. So very cool. This is so cool. Would have thought I'd get a lightsaber. So let's have a look at this thing. It's quite heavy. It's got a nice weight to it. So you can see here some plastic metal over here. There's the top where you can see the LEDs are. And then there's little screw holes there and there, so that also secures the blade to the device. There's some more over here, the Allen key, there's the button that control it. Then you've got the Allen key as well, the app, sorry. And yeah, this is it. So let's put this thing together and see what it looks like. Before we put on the blade, I wanted to show you over here, this part here unscrews. And what happens is the inside section, or a dropout core with a battery. So that's what it's called. So this little thing over here is the main operation of the device. I feel like I'm removing uranium out of something. But yeah, so this is it here. Some of them will have an on-off kill switch over here, so it doesn't drain the battery. There's all the little connectors. There's the battery there. And there's the USB-C where you charge it. And then over here, there's a little LED, so you press that to turn it on, and then everything will go from there. So we'll press that. So we'll push that little button there. And then when you've got different operations, so you can press it.
Initiate Aaron! Approach! Kneel. By the right of council, by the will of the Force, I name you Jedi Apprentice. Rise and speak your name.
Rilo Stone Chaser.
Rilo Storm Chaser! Yeah. Woo!
Yeah. Alright.
That's on now. Press again. And if you hold it down, that closes it in, and then you've got different
standard mode.
See, now this is standard mode, so we'll put that in, and then what we'll do is we'll get that going, and we'll see what it's like. And then the blade fits on the front. Very well constructed. It's nice and strong. So that feels good. So there, I press the button and that controls whatever, and then the speakers are here. So the sound comes out of these sound holes. So I wave and it does that, then I press it again. It does another one and another one.
Color change.
Color change. So now I've changed the color, as you can see there. And then there's also movements. So there's certain movements that you do that can trigger it and everything. So I just held it down and then it's switched off. So what we need to do is remove this little protective casing over there, like a little plug. And then what we do is slot that into this part here where the LEDs are. So that goes in there. And once it's on, you can take these little screws that it comes with and you use the Allen key and tighten that onto the hilt itself. So that then keeps it nice and secure while you're battling away or doing whatever your moves that you want to do with the lightsaber. So very cool, quite excited. So yeah, so let's put that one in, another one. So I'll finish that off and then we'll carry on. Okay, so the blade is now on, as you can see, it's secure, so that's there. Used the little Allen key screws that went in. So let's turn this on and see what it does.
The Dark Lord Order.
Okay, so that's probably one of the modes I've now selected. Ooh. That's cool. How cool is that? So the sounds change to what option I'm on. So the Dark Lord is obviously these sounds. How cool is this? That's actually quite a nice weight with the blade on it. So I'll get some more footage of me maneuvering it around and doing some cool moves. Let's see if there's another mode. Oh, that switched it off. Oh, that came on. Nice.
The Master.
This is very cool. Specific lightsaber comes with an app as well. So this one is called a Xeno. So that's the logo there, and then I did a search on Google Play, so I'm using Google Play, so you can do Apple as well. So that's the app that you need to download, and then the manual has got a whole bunch of things in here on how to set it up, how to get connected and everything like that. So what we'll do is we'll open up this app, privacy policy, so we'll just accept that. So connect the saber, turn on the cell phone Bluetooth and activate the lightsaber to connect. So we'll do that. Turn this on.
The Dark Empress.
Okay, so I've turned it on and I'm the Dark Empress now as one of the selections, and that's glowing red, as you can see. So that's there. So let's click next, require Bluetooth, allow, so we'll allow that in the app. So it's finding Saber, Saber's found, so there we go. Okay, so that's it now, and we've got all these little menu options here. So the Dark Empress, which is the one I was on, so we can change that. So now it's changed to the Princess, and now you can see it's gone blue. Ooh, this is very cool. Then we go to Double Agent, so that's flickering purple. Then Truly Lost is red. The Chosen. Then we've got New Horizon. The Dark Sword, the Assassin, the Knight, so that's also red there, the Wanderer, wow, there's a lot, the Protector, jeepers, the Dark Empress, the Sun, the Third Hunter, the Master, Dark Lord Order, Fallen Apprentice, and the Princess. So we're back. So, and then over here you can choose your colors. So you've got this color wheel here, so that's really cool. We've got a standard color, so you can just choose one. Infinite color, so this one basically cycles through the colors. So you'll see now it goes from green to blue and that. So that's really cool. Lightsaber effect mode, out time, in time, hum light. So these are all the effects you can put on it as well. There's a track for sound. You've got the clash. So when the clash hits, you can do that. We've got blast. We've got lock. We've got drag, so you can drag it as well. And then force, and then you've got your volume over here.
Volume level.
So that works nicely. So we go there. So we've got Saber's got 100% battery power. Over here settings. So we've got brightness, other things, countdown, motion control, flash on clash, motor speeds, power on time, LED. Wow, there's a lot of options here. Velocity mode, torch mode, ghost mode, lighting. A lot of things. Custom lighting effects, custom functions, custom fonts. And then we've got the lightsaber, which is connected. So if we go back to home, we can choose another one. We've got different font sizes. So let's go to, so there, magenta, so that's the color. And so yeah, this is very cool. So now I've turned it on, and this is the protector. So this is the blue color. And if I do clash, it does the clash sound, blast, lock. So that's obviously when you're hitting and you're locking with another one. And then drag, so that's if you drag it. And that's the force power there. So you've got, that's quite cool there, so it's playing that sound. Fallen Apprentice. And this is the magenta color. Princess. There. Double Agent. Truly Lost. Hit my hand.
Stop it. Get some help.
Chosen. New Horizon.
Nice.
Dark Sword, this is quite cool. Protector. So there's a lot of different options that you can play around with and all the settings and everything. And then you've also got more settings here, which you can see. If I go through these, you can see you've got the blade setting, you've got the blade length, so you can do that as well. The brightness. Let me just move over there so it just blocks out some of the blue glow. You've got countdown, motion control, flash on clash. So when you do hit something, it makes that flashing color. The sensitivity you can turn up. Then there's other settings for obviously other lightsabers here as well that you can see that are grayed out. So those are for some of the others that they do sell. So DamienSaber is, got quite a lot of these lightsabers, and you can check the link in the description for more of them. So you've got velocity modes, you can put these on. You've got ghost mode.
Yeah, boy.
Overall, it's really cool. I really do like the build. It's got a nice weight to it, nice and strong, and yeah, very solid. So there we did a hit, so you can see how it hits. So yeah, this is awesome. I'm really enjoying this. The kids are enjoying it as well, so it's good fun.